I'm Michelle Curtis, a member of the Water Conservation Team at Helix Water District. I'm going to share the basics of our free home water use evaluation for residential customers. The basics include a reading of the water meter, testing toilets for leaks, measuring flows from shower heads, measuring flows from sink faucets, and checking the landscape irrigation system for efficient operation. First, we start with getting a read of your meter. This allows us to see how much water you've used since your last meter read and if you might have a leak. It also lets us determine your average daily water consumption and estimate your next bill based on trending water use. After we gather our readings, we meet with you to discuss our findings and go over any concerns you might have. Then we proceed to performing our water evaluation. During a typical home water use evaluation, we check toilets for leaks. We put blue dye tablets in the tank and wait for them to dissolve. After about 5 to 10 minutes, if there is a leak, blue dye will appear in the bowl below. No blue means no leak. Now we'll get a flow reading from the shower. We hold our flow rate bag over the shower head for 5 seconds, and based on the markings on the bag, we can determine how many gallons per minute are being used. A water-efficient shower head will use fewer than 2 gallons per minute. We then do the same test on the sinks in the house. An efficient sink faucet flow will be fewer than 1.5 gallons per minute. We also check the efficiency rating of your washing machine. A good clothes washer will use 14 to 25 gallons per full load cycle. After completing the indoor portion of the evaluation, we check your landscaping. We look closely at your irrigation system, starting with the controller. We go through the current programming, checking start times, run times, and how often the controller operates. This gives us a good idea of how much water you are currently using outdoors. We then turn on each station one by one. We're looking for leaks, low pressure, and broken sprinkler heads if you have any. We also check the system's overall performance. Based on the types of sprinklers, local climate, your plant materials, and other factors, we can give you site-specific recommendations for both water efficiency and plant sustainability. It is important to know that water efficiency does not always mean water savings. Many factors can cause an efficient irrigation system to use more or less water. Once we have completed our home water use evaluation, we will go over our findings, discuss potential rebate opportunities, and give you great information on living a water-efficient lifestyle. You then choose which recommendations to implement and when. There's no obligation. To schedule a free appointment, contact us at 619-466-0585. You can also get more information on our website, hwd.com, and on the Water Conservation Garden's website, thegarden.org. Thank you.